This is Mike Prosper with Laptop Magazine, and today we're looking at the Samsung Series 7 notebooks. One is a 15-inch display, and the other one is a 14-inch display. The notebooks will start at $9.99 for the 15-inch and $10.99 for the 14-inch. Now, the 14-inch and the 15-inch both have what Samsung calls a max screen technology, which means that they can have a smaller bezel than before. So, for example, on this system, it has a 14-inch display, but it fits it inside a 13-inch chassis. Both chassis are made out of aluminum. The keyboard, as you can see, is an island style, is backlit. And along the sides here, both have slot loading DVD drives, and there's a USB on that side. And then if you look on the other side, we have two USB 3.0 ports, Ethernet, HDMI, and a micro USB port, which can be used to output to a VGA display with the included adapter. The 13-inch has these same ports on it as well, as you can see on this side. Both notebooks have touchpads with built-in buttons. It's made by Elon. It's an imaging sensor. What's also important about these systems is some of the software that comes on it. Samsung has included their fast start technology, which means the notebooks can boot from hybrid sleep in 2 to 3 seconds. It also takes a snapshot of where you are in the system and where you left off, so that even if the notebook loses power completely, once you plug it back in, it'll start up from where you left off. The 15-inch will have a quad-core processor. There's also a fan silencing button here, so that if you're in a meeting, you can turn off the fans to be a little bit more polite. The display is 1600 by 900, 300 nits on both models. This one is a mock-up, so it can't be turned on at the moment. Both batteries will be rated for 1500 cycles, which means that you can, and they'll be good for up to 80% after that. So that means you won't have to replace them, which is good because they're built into the system. Both systems should get up to 9 hours of battery life with Wi-Fi off. That's running the mobile mark test. Other options they'll have AMD graphics with switching technology. The 15-inch system here will weigh about 5.05 pounds, and the 13-inch weighs 4.3 pounds. As we mentioned, the 15-inch starts at $9.99. The 13-inch starts at $10.99, and they go up to about $12.99 with the pre-configured options. Both notebooks will be available on October 2nd. This is Mike Prospero for Laptop Magazine.